Hello everyone, welcome to the video. I'm going to show you in Apache NetBeans IDE when we are creating the JavaFX application, there's error. Say that failed to automatically set up JavaFX platform. Okay, I'm going to show you how to resolve this issue. First of all, you have to go to your command prompt. Press Windows key and press type CMD and press enter. Then your command prompt will pop up. And what you have to do is type Java space and version and press enter. Then we know we have Java 20 installed in our PC. As that, you have to follow what is the installed version of your Java SDK. Then you have to set up JavaFX SDK also like that. Then I installed Java 20. Then what I have to do next is I have to go to the browser and go to this website, or I can Google it, like type Azul and press enter, and it will show the link to that website. I click in here, download Azul JDK, and I scroll down, and I have to select my Java version. I have installed Java 20. Then I select this one. Then I have to select the operating system. I have Windows installed on my PC. Then I have to go to Java package. I need to download Java JDKFX. Then I click in here. Then I click download and I click zip file. Okay, then I actually have already downloaded the zip file. Then I go to the download. Then I have the zip file. Then I right click and I extract in the particular location. Click extract. Then I extract actually in the my C folder. Then what I have to do is go to the IDE again. Then I have to go to tools. I have to go to Java platforms, add the platform. Then we are going to create a new platform. Then there's another window pop up. Then what you have to do is keep it in Java standard edition and press next. Then what you have to do is select that previously extracted file. This is my previously extracted file. Then what I have to do is press next. Then this will take some moment, like in 5 to 10 seconds sometime, and it will automatically detect what is the platform in here. It is my Java 20. Then what I have to do is press Phoenix, and I have to click close. See, there's automatically Java 20 FX is added. Then I have to click close. Then I'm going to show you create a new project. When I click project, I'm choosing JavaFX project and I press next. You see, there's no error right now. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.